want to know, how are you feeling? Today was my first day of starting an exercise routine since my children were born. So we're talking about 5.5 years ago, basically 6, because when I carry kids, I carry them hard. Like, I get to the point where I'm so big, I can't even walk. My bones say, my pelvis says, So today, I just felt like I'm getting up and I'm gonna do this. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm just gonna try. Because usually in the morning, the kids are all over me. So this morning I woke up and you will see that I am doing the workout in my nightgown. Every moment that I possibly can get in order to get outside and do this thing, I'm going to do it.
Me, I'm pushing myself.
Woo, get it, girl. Look at you. this is another thing. I was saying, okay, I have 2 girls who are watching me. This one here, she rubs on my belly. The other one, who's 5.5, she's like, Mommy, having another baby? Whew. It's just weird. So please come along with me on this journey. And I'm actually just taking some exercise routines from YouTube. So this is gonna be fun. I saw this like kukuwa yesterday. And that's when I was like, oh my goodness, this is gonna be so much fun. So I'm hoping to like do this maybe 3 times a week. Let's see. Let's start. That's all I can do is start. Have fun with me. Laugh at me. All right, thanks for joining. Take care. Bye.